Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 3 two-week Europe trip itineraries for first-time travelers. We're going beyond the typical tourist traps to uncover some hidden gems that'll give you a more authentic and enriching European experience. These itineraries feature unique, well-reviewed places that aren't overrun by tourists. They offer a blend of history, culture, nature, and affordability, perfect for those eager to soak up the real Europe. So pack your bags, grab your guidebook, and let's get started. Our first stop takes us to the enchanting town of Sintra, Portugal, nestled amidst the verdant hills just a short train ride from Lisbon. Sintra is a fairy tale setting of whimsical palaces, lush gardens, and ancient ruins, all shrouded in a mystical mist that rolls in from the Atlantic. Start your Sintra adventure at the Pina Palace, a colorful, almost Disney-esque palace perched high above the town. Explore its vibrant rooms, wander through the exotic gardens, and enjoy breathtaking views that stretch all the way to the ocean. Next, descend into the heart of Sintra's historic center. This charming town, with its cobblestone streets and pastel-colored buildings, is a delight to explore on foot. Stop for a coffee and pastry at a local cafe, browse the shops for handcrafted souvenirs, and soak up the relaxed Portuguese ambiance. No trip to Sintra is complete without a visit to Quinta da Regaleira. This mysterious estate, with its gardens, grottos, and underground tunnels, feels like something out of an Indiana Jones film. Explore its hidden symbols and secret passages, and let your imagination run wild. As the day winds down, consider taking a leisurely stroll through the gardens of Monserrate. This romantic garden, with its exotic plants, waterfalls, and hidden corners, offers a tranquil escape from the crowds. For dinner, indulge in a traditional Portuguese meal at a local restaurant. Sintra is known for its fresh seafood, hearty stews, and delicious pastries, all best enjoyed with a glass of local wine. From Sintra, we journey eastward, crossing the Iberian Peninsula into Spain. Our destination is the vibrant city of Seville, the heart of Andalusia, and a place where flamenco rhythms fill the air. Seville is a city that sizzles with passion and energy. Wander through narrow, winding streets, marvel at the grandeur of its Moorish architecture, and experience the fiery spirit of flamenco firsthand. Your Seville adventure begins at the Alcazar, a magnificent palace complex that showcases the city's rich Moorish heritage. Explore its intricately decorated courtyards, stroll through its fragrant gardens, and lose yourself in the beauty of its Islamic art and architecture. Next, venture to the Plaza de España, a sprawling plaza built for the 1929 Ibero-American Exposition. This architectural masterpiece, with its colorful tiles, graceful bridges, and ornate fountains, is a testament to Seville's artistic heritage. Take a boat ride on the canal, soak up the lively atmosphere, and capture some memorable photos. No trip to Seville is complete without experiencing the passion of flamenco. Head to a local tablao, a traditional flamenco venue, and prepare to be mesmerized. For dinner, indulge in the flavors of Andalusian cuisine. Sample local specialties like gazpacho, salmorejo, and pescado frito, all best enjoyed with a refreshing glass of tinto de verano. From the sun-drenched streets of Seville, we journey north to the heart of Europe, to the enchanting town of Český Krumlov in the Czech Republic. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is like stepping into a real-life fairy tale, with its cobbled lanes, colorful houses, and a magnificent castle perched above the Vltava River. Start your exploration at the Český Krumlov Castle, a sprawling complex that dominates the town's skyline. Wander through its courtyards, climb the tower for panoramic views, and delve into the fascinating history of this medieval marvel. Don't miss the castle's unique feature, a Baroque theater preserved almost exactly as it was in the 17th century. After the castle, lose yourself in the labyrinthine streets of the old town. Admire the well-preserved Renaissance and Baroque architecture, browse the artisan shops for bohemian glass and local crafts, and stop for a hearty Czech meal at one of the many charming restaurants. For a unique perspective, take a leisurely raft trip down the Vltava River. You'll see the town from a whole new angle, gliding under bridges and past picturesque houses, with the castle looming majestically above. In the evening, find a cozy pub and savor the flavors of Czech cuisine. Sample traditional dishes like goulash, svikova, beef sirloin with creamy vegetable sauce, and trdelnik, a sweet pastry cooked over an open fire, all best enjoyed with a refreshing Czech beer. Český Krumlov is a place to slow down, to soak up the atmosphere, and to appreciate the beauty of a bygone era. From the fairy tale charm of Český Krumlov, we continue our journey north to the majestic landscapes of Slovenia. Our destination, Lake Bled, a place of breathtaking natural beauty and tranquil serenity. Imagine a crystal-clear lake, its emerald green surface reflecting the towering peaks of the Julian Alps. In the middle of the lake, a tiny island with a church, its bell tower piercing the sky. Upon arriving at Lake Bled, take a moment to simply breathe in the fresh mountain air and soak up the stunning scenery. Then embark on a leisurely walk around the lake, stopping at viewpoints along the way to capture the perfect photo. For a closer look at the iconic island church, hop aboard a traditional wooden boat called a pletna. These charming boats, rowed by standing oarsmen, have been ferrying visitors to the island for centuries. Ring the church bell for good luck, explore the island's small museum, and enjoy the serenity of this sacred site. Back on the mainland, consider hiking up to Bled Castle, perched high on a cliff overlooking the lake. The castle offers breathtaking panoramic views of the lake, the island, and the surrounding mountains. No trip to Lake Bled is complete without sampling the local delicacy kremsnita. Find a lakeside cafe, order a slice or two, and savor every bite. Our journey now takes us eastward, through the heart of Slovenia, to the vibrant capital city of Ljubljana. This charming city, often overlooked on the tourist trail, is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Imagine a city small enough to explore on foot, with a relaxed, almost Mediterranean vibe, yet with a rich history and culture all its own. Start your Ljubljana adventure at Prešeren Square, the city's bustling heart. Admire the colorful buildings, watch street performers entertain the crowds, and soak up the lively atmosphere. From Prešeren Square, cross the iconic Triple Bridge, one of Ljubljana's most recognizable landmarks. This unique bridge, designed by the renowned Slovenian architect Jože Plečnik, is actually 3 bridges in one, connecting the city's historic center with the modern part of town. Next, take a leisurely stroll along the Ljubljanica River, which winds its way through the heart of the city. Stop at one of the many riverside cafes, enjoy a coffee or a glass of Slovenian wine, and watch the world go by. For panoramic views of the city, take a funicular ride up to Ljubljana Castle, perched on a hill overlooking the city. Explore the castle's museum, walk the ramparts for stunning views, and enjoy a meal at the castle restaurant. Ljubljana is also a city for art and culture enthusiasts. Visit the National Gallery of Slovenia, admire the works of Slovenian masters, and explore the city's many art galleries and museums. In the evening, experience Ljubljana's vibrant culinary scene. The city is home to a wide range of restaurants, from traditional Slovenian eateries to trendy international restaurants. Sample local specialties like jota, a hearty bean and sauerkraut stew, strukli, rolled dumplings, and potica, a nut roll cake, all best enjoyed with a glass of Slovenian wine. From Ljubljana, our journey takes us to our final destination, the picturesque town of Hallstatt, Austria, nestled on the shores of the Hallstatter Sea. Imagine a village seemingly plucked from the pages of a fairy tale, with its pastel-colored houses reflected in the still waters of the lake, surrounded by towering mountains. Upon arriving in Hallstatt, take some time to simply wander through its narrow streets, admire the traditional wooden houses, and soak up the peaceful atmosphere. The town is small enough to explore on foot, and you'll discover hidden alleyways, charming squares, and breathtaking views at every turn. For a unique perspective on Hallstatt, take a boat trip on the Hallstatter Sea. You'll see the town from a whole new angle, with the mountains rising dramatically in the background. No trip to Hallstatt is complete without a visit to the Hallstatt salt mine, one of the oldest salt mines in the world. Take a funicular ride up the mountain, don a miner's suit, and descend deep into the mine to learn about the fascinating history of salt mining in the region. For a taste of local culture, visit the Hallstatt Museum, housed in a beautifully preserved 16th century building. In the evening, enjoy a traditional Austrian meal at one of Hallstatt's charming restaurants. As your journey through these hidden gems of Europe comes to an end, You'll carry with you the memories of enchanting landscapes, rich history, vibrant cultures, and the warmth of the people you've met along the way. Thanks for watching! We hope these itineraries inspire your next European adventure. Remember, travel is about more than just checking off destinations. It's about immersing yourself in new cultures, connecting with locals, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. See you in the next video.